So in this lesson, we'll try to do the question 1D. Here, apply validation to the data in the tables you have created. So these are the two tables I have created, TBL employee and TBL loan. Here for these two tables, I have to apply validation rule. Right. You can assume that for each field, the sample data provided in the loan spreadsheet contain all options. So we have to refer the loan spreadsheet contain all options, right? So now produce a screen print in the design view of the format check. So now you have to do the format check for the table you have created. So now if you can see the table, say in the loans table, if you can open and see, for the asset number, you have this 00 like this, you have 001. But when you say when you see in this equipment table here, it is having a loan equipment, this format is here. So that's why when we are creating the TBL loan table, we have given this asset number, we have given this format. Okay, so this is, so we can consider this as a format check because loan equip 0000. Then what you can do is you have to get the screenshot of this image here. So format check validation, you can see, you have to show the asset number and field size long integer and like loan equipment is 0000. So in the marking scheme also, say they have given that part here. See, the format check example in the marking scheme, they have mentioned this part. Okay, so here given, right? The next is they are asking the range check screenshot. So the range check, say now for the range check, what you can do is say we can have between 1 and 14 because the question they have mentioned loan period should be between 1 and 14. So then what you can do is in the loan period, so you can have validation rule. So between 1 and 14. So then you can say here loan period should be between 1 and 14. Okay, so then that is done. So then you have to get the screenshot of this screen here. So that I have done it. Yes, you can see. You see loan period should be between 1 and 14 days. So range check, for the range check, normally you have to use the between clause. So here I have given that one. So then the next one is one screen print showing the table lookup. Okay, so now for the table lookup, what you can do is for the asset number. So you go to see the table, you have to open the table, you have to open the table TBL load and you can select the asset number field. And here there are two things, general and lookup. So you go to lookup. So here inside in the text box, so make it as a combo box. Okay, then you will get the row source type table query. Here, what you do is you make it as a table query, and you click it here. So when you click here, you will get this window. Okay, so you get this window. Then what you do is you add this equipment table here. Okay, then you select this. Okay, so that means we are taking the equipment table is a master table for the asset number. So we are going to take the asset number from the equipment table. So then you just click over here, then say yes. Okay, so then, so important thing is you have to put here limit to list is yes. For that also 1 mark is given, so limit to list is yes. Okay. So now you can close this, you can save this, and you have to get the screenshot of this part here that I have already taken that part here. Okay, so I have taken that part here. So then I'll close this. So now if you can see here, the asset number, it is limited to, say if you add the table, say table lookup mean, then the table is linked with here, then you can show the equipment, that equipment numbers from this asset number field. Okay, right. Right. So then that part is done. So then say in the question number 1D, we have done the format check for the example I have done. So the range check also I have done. So the table lookup also I have done. So you can see the three, say here see that for the here the format check is how it is given in the scheme, and how the range check is given in the scheme. And you see now if you are doing table lookup, say you have to select table query, and you have to do that, you have to get the query design view, you select the equipment and the part asset number, and here limit to list, you have, don't forget this one, because for this also they are giving 1 marks. Okay, so then so that is about the question number 1D. The next we will do the 1E in next lesson. Okay.